First of all, we knew right off the bat it was a huge undertaking. Our district maintenance engineer, our design engineer, everybody at the District 10 headquarters became involved with it immediately. Also our Mercer County headquarters sent people out here on site, but it was a huge, huge undertaking from the first minute. Right in this area, directly in front of us, there was a two-story house, and when the slide came, it actually turned the house over and continued to push it down all the way down to the railroad tracks. As you can see in this area, we haven't, there's no guardrail. It actually took out all of the guardrail and had it over the hill as well. The slide, probably where we're at its maximum, was probably as high as our signs, our hazard signs that we have up here, to give you an idea on how much dirt was in the road. Huge trees came actually from the top of the mountain all the way down and slid across the road. So we were fighting that with utilities being down, just a mess. There was absolutely nothing regular about this one, simply because of the volume of material, the damage that it caused on private property and even to the railroad. Of course, the railroad got involved and worked on their property to keep the tracks open. Nothing normal about this one. And it was first thought to possibly have private contractors come in and do the work for us. We had a group that came in and assessed, and during that time the D10 maintenance guys decided we could do it and put our guys out here cleaning it up, and that's what we decided to do, and it turned out great.